Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this unboxing. This is Beautylish's 2020 Lucky Bag. So what the Lucky Bag is, or what Beautylish's Lucky Bag is that they have three tiers. They have the XL, which is $150, and it's supposed to have, I think, $300 worth of product. And then they have the medium size, which is $75 and is supposed to have $150 worth of product. And then they have the Jeffree Star tier, which is also $75 and supposed to be $150 worth of just Jeffree Star products. Now, I didn't go with the Jeffree Star one because I knew, with the way my luck has been going with subscription boxes and mystery boxes, that I would get something that I already had. I'm very excited about this box because not only is it this channel's first unboxing of this box, it is the first time I was ever able to purchase one of these boxes. So hopefully the medium box will also have some very, very interesting goodies. All right, let's open it up. It came in a box like this. And I did already cut open the little tab here just for time's sake. And when you open it up, it looks like this. It has a really pretty tag, really pretty paper. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. And God knows I have not been having good luck with my mystery boxes. If you've been following my channel at all, I had that fiasco with the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I've been getting nothing but skincare and my Ipsies and my BoxyCharm. So hopefully this will be the one that makes it all right, because it is called the Lucky Bag, right? So let's open it up. Got a big old bag of goodies here. Let's see if there's anything else kind of hidden down here. No, looks like it's just paper. Okay, let's see what we got in here. I'm excited. Okay, the first thing that I'm pulling out of the box, it is a makeup sponge, microfiber lemon drop sponge from Juno & Co. Never tried any of their products, but I could always use another makeup sponge, so that'll get used. Let's see what else we got. Holifrog Superior Omega Nutritive Gel Wash. Oh gee, more skincare. I'm sure it's very bougie skincare, but it's all bougie skincare in these boxes. How much skincare can a gal use? There's the Holifrog box. All right, let's see. Next thing that we're pulling out here is Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Now, that's actually something that I'll use a lot because I go through toners pretty fast. So, I mean, that's skincare, and at least it's something that will get used. Next thing I'm pulling out, guess what? More skincare. We got Pharmacy Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask with Echinacea and Green Envy with citric acid. This is probably something that I'll never use. If you saw any of my other videos, this is too long of a skincare step. I just don't like masks that I have to leave on and then take the time to peel them off. They're very frustrating for me. All right, still got a few items in the box. The next thing we got here is a brush. We got a Sonia G brush. This looks like a flat blending brush. It's very bougie looking. The bristles feel very nice. I've never used this brand, but I can always use a good flat brush, so we'll give that a try. The next thing we got is an Hourglass Confession lipstick in the shade At Night. Ooh, Hourglass. I've never tried any of their products, but I do know that they are very, very expensive. This is very weighted. It's very pretty. Also very tiny. Looks like one of those feminine lipsticks that they had back in the day, right? Let's swatch it. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a muted red. And I love me some red lipstick, so that will definitely get used. That's really cute. Really pretty packaging. All right, 2 more things in this bag, and I already know Gold Lust. It's dry shampoo. Oribe Gold Lust dry shampoo. I got another dry shampoo in this $70, basically a $90 mystery box. I got a deluxe sample size of dry shampoo. I'm going to try not to scream. Last thing I got in the box is what everyone always wants to see, and that's the eyeshadow palette. And normally I'd be very, very excited about this. This is what I got. You got that. It is the Anastasia Riviera palette. And don't worry, don't mind. It's a beautiful palette. The problem is I literally just bought this palette at TJ Maxx just a few weeks ago, and I did a video on that. And I was really excited to have it then, but I don't need another one. I am not having good luck with mystery boxes this year. I am gonna say, is it gonna stop me from buying them? Nah, because I have an addiction. I have a problem. But man, I am not having, this was not a lucky bag, Beautylish. Anybody want to trade? Leave in the comments down below. If you got this box and you want to trade for this Anastasia palette, let me know. We can swap. That's it for everything that's in the box. I double checked, did a quick sweep to see if anything else was in there. There was nada. What do you think? I remember I paid $90 for this box after shipping and tax. Do you think this was worth what I paid? Oh. I feel like I got scammed, even though I know that there's actually some really nice stuff in here. If people were really into skincare, they'd probably actually be really excited about this box. But, man, really? Really? I just bought this palette. And I bought this version so that I didn't get repeats of stuff that I already had. Now I wish I had gone to the Jeffree Star box. At least, never mind. We're done complaining. What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the description below. Again, if you got something different and you really want this guy, let me know. We'll swap, girl. Or guy. Thanks a lot, guys. And I'll see you next time. Bum, 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 bum.